Hello everyone. So if you're encountering this problem, you don't need to worry because it has a super easy fix. It is the error code 205 and now I'll show you on how to fix it. So first of all, we can leave from Photoshop. Then we're gonna type command and run it as an administrator. After running the command prompt as an administrator, what you're gonna do is to copy the command down in the description, paste it here, and we're now going to fix it in 3, 2, 1, go. And now it's going to delete the cache of Adobe. And as you can see, we're now going to be able to run the Photoshop with zero issues. And as you can see, it opens quite easily with no struggle. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you and have a nice day. See ya.